This video I will explain how to backup and restore files or protect your data. Backing up your files means making a copy of your important data and save that important data somewhere safe. Restoring means bringing back those files if they are lost or deleted. Why backup is important? Your files can be lost due to computer crash, virus, theft, or accidental delete. If backup is there, you can get your data back easily. What you should backup? Documents like Word, Excel, PDF, photos and videos, school or work projects, and important software or settings. Where you can backup your files. First one is external devices like USB drive or external hard drive. It is easy to use, just plug and copy, and you can keep it in safe place. Second one is cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. In case of cloud storage, files are stored in online. You can access from any device. It is safe even if your computer is lost. Third one is backup software. You can use built-in tools like File History in Windows, Time Machine in Mac, and these tools can automatically backup your files. Now we will see how to backup files. You can do it in two ways, manually or automatically. Manually means copy paste, plug in your USB drive or open cloud folder, select the important files, copy and paste into your backup location. Do this once in a week or more. The second option is automatically using software. On Windows, you have to turn on file history. On Mac, using time machine option, you can choose a backup disk and turn it on. How to restore the files? In case of USB or external drive, open the backup folder, copy the files back to your computer. In case of cloud, go to the Google Drive, OneDrive or Dropbox, find the file and download it in your computer. If you want to use backup tools, in case of Windows, use Restore Files option in File History. In case of Mac, using Time Machine, you can restore. Now we will see tips to keep your data safe. Backup regularly, weekly or monthly you have to do. Keep a copy in different place. It can be USB or cloud. Use a strong password for cloud accounts. And you have to label your backups with date and type. Now we will see the summary. Backup means make a copy of important files. Where to backup? USB, hard drive or cloud storage. How often you have to backup? Weekly or monthly. Restore means copy files back if lost or deleted. To stay safe, you have to use passwords and keep copies in two places. Backing up your files is like insurance for your data. It protects you from losing your work, memories, or important documents.